Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good Wednesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and just another great day here in Budapest. We're kind of following up with yesterday's theme of retail, probably one because I just like this part of Budapest. But we're sitting here and we got Hard Rock Cafe, Budapest behind us. Very nice, very busy. All the places, all the food and beverage places are busy here, it looks like. And we're just down the street from the Fashion Street Budapest. And of course, over here we've got Váci, which is probably everyone in the world knows about this street for shopping. So a lot going on. Any retailers that were thinking about Budapest but kind of gave a break on expansion because of Corona or whatever, now is the time to come back. There's some good locations available, which there wasn't in the past. Great locations. Everyone's back. Also tomorrow we'll be exploring a little bit more. We'll be filming a little in front of a few of the office buildings. There's couple big transactions in the last year or 18 months that we'll talk about, in some great office buildings. The logistics, of course, also building up. A lot of new names coming to the market here, or in the market, and working on projects as well. So a lot happening on that side. We've done a couple of interviews already with some of our clients, so we're putting all of that together now, and you'll be seeing that over the next few days and week. Some interesting comments and what people have put their money into. We've got these great drinks. Wow, that's great. It's super hot out, so very nice to have. But a lot of things going on in Budapest and in Hungary, but mainly Budapest. So definitely keep your eye on the country. I'd say this is going to be a great year for Hungary on commercial real estate side. A lot of investors coming. We have a big event on October 20th here, the CRE Awards, first international real estate event here in a while, at least a couple of years. Everyone's turning out for it. A lot of international investors also coming. The banks are coming, also important. So also plenty of the local developers and property owners that you want to meet. So having said that, we've also got Winston Norman, who's going to be doing the news today. He's in Warsaw, living the great life there. So we'll take a little break, and we'll be right back with Winston Norman in the news in 20 seconds. So enjoy the day. If you're in Central Europe, make sure you're staying hydrated, and we will see you on Thursday. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com.
Good morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show, and here are the highlights from the news website for today. And we'll start with all real estate investment and development have the potential to deliver social impact, according to a new report from the Urban Land Institute in partnership with global law firm DLA Piper. The global report, Social Impact, Investing with a Purpose to Protect and Enhance Returns, concludes that often with relatively small adjustments to strategy, real estate can deliver market rate returns, while at the same time intentionally delivering social benefits that would not have otherwise occurred to undeserved communities and locations. According to the ULI CEO, Lisette Van Doorn, comments, real estate and social infrastructure always create an impact on society. The shift now is from unintended consequences to considered outcomes. In many ways, there is nothing new in social impact model. Investors need to leave behind a mindset that sees this as something different from what they already do in managing real estate and serving customers. The report acknowledges regional differences in investor appetite, with interest in social impact strategy strongest in Europe, followed by the US and lowest in Asia. And according to Shoshana Rivers, global co-chair of DLA Piper's real estate sector, As providers of the built environment where we live, work and play, real estate stakeholders have always had a social impact, both positive and negative, which puts them in a position of huge responsibility. Moving to Poland's warehousing market, and Panattoni has completed the BTS project for Solaris, a producer of city buses, which can be found in 32 countries globally. The 10,000 square metre warehouse has been built next to the company's existing factory and will play a key role in the parts and assembly supply chain for the production of Solaris vehicles. And according to Marek Woriński, the BTS Managing Director of Panattoni, the handover of the project at Belchowo marks another successful development to support our client's factory, and it fits perfectly into their operations to be a real warehousing asset that meets the company's increasing levels of production. And according to Michał Podecki, the BTS Development Director of Panattoni, who continues, Solaris is continuing adding ecological vehicles to its fleet, and their work with us has also followed for the green energy resources generated within the buildings to be greatly increased. In developing the warehouse centre for Solaris, for example, Panattoni has reinforced the roof to mount 572 solar panels. Panattoni is also developing a car park roofing concept with individual shelters equipped with solar panels. Development is also to be certified under the BREEAM certification. And finally for today, there's a new head of commercial real estate at the Erste Group. Gunther Artner has taken over the management of the commercial real estate group, and Arthur succeeds Patrick Zuhetmia, who is leaving the group. Gunther has a very extensive experience in both capital markets business and equity research, always with a strong focus on real estate and the CEE region. In recent years, he's also successfully executed several high-profile capital market transactions for leading commercial real estate players. And according to Ingo Lear, member of the management board at Erste Group, I am convinced that as a great team player, Gunther has both the necessary experience and fresh ideas to drive the development of the real estate business in our group. And those are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. For more news, please join me again tomorrow. Thank you very much.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.